everybody, this is Sahiti and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Nykaa Hot Pink sale. I know I'm very late to this whole Hot Pink sale haul thing, but I just wanted to take some time and try these products so that I can talk a little more while showing. I bought a lot of stuff during the haul because a few of them were my necessities like face wash and cleansers and all, and few were in my wish list. I wanted to buy them for so long, but they were a little expensive, so I have to wait for the sale to come. I'm so excited for today's video because the stuff is amazing. So if you want to know what I bought from Nykaa Hot Pink sale, then keep watching. So the first product that I want to show you guys is this Nykaa Home Safe Disinfectant Spray. So this is very important for people like me because I tend to shop mostly online. I also order my groceries online, so this is very important for me. It is very important to sanitize your products or anything that comes from outside to your home. So I used it. It is nice. It has a mild fragrance to it. It is not disturbing or something. It's nice and it sanitizes perfectly. So the next product that I want to show you guys is this contour palette from NYX. I bought it during first day of Hot Pink sale. I got this for 1200 bucks or something, but it was originally priced for 2000. So this is amazing, guys. This is very pigmented. I'll attach the picture over here or here, so you can check that out. I swatched this on my hand. So this has a bronzer, contour and 2 baking powders and illuminator. It is good for any skin tone of Indians. So all these are bronzers, I guess. I actually don't know the concept of bronzing and contouring, guys. I recently started browsing a lot related to makeup and stuff, so I got to know this thing called contouring and bronzing. I felt that contouring and bronzing is like a game changer for makeup, so I thought I should try something, and I got my hands on this and I love this palette. This is very pigmented, but the only thing that disappointed me was the expiry date was near, guys. Generally when we tend to buy a palette, it comes at least for 2 to 2.5 years, but this thing has its expiry date. It actually came in a packaging like this. Its expiry date is 7th month of 2021. I thought I can use this for 2 years or something, but unfortunately the expiry date is near. So the other products that I bought during Hot Pink sale were these. I talked about this particular product in my before video. I filmed a video regarding Amazon and Flipkart haul, and there I spoke about this particular product. I'll put the sale price here and original price here so that you can understand for what price I got. So this particular product removes all your blackheads, whiteheads and facial hair from your nose, and it's pretty decent product, I would say. So I also wanted to try another product from the same brand, that is Hip Hop. I bought these under eye pads. It says it has a nourishing gel in that. I have very bad dark circles. I did not sleep properly. I did not use this product as of now, but I'm definitely gonna try this product very soon and share with you how I feel about this one. My Nykaa shopping bag is not complete without lipsticks. So during the Hot Pink sale, I bought this combo of lipsticks from the brand called Smashbox. I never tried Smashbox lipsticks, to be frank, because I find them a little too expensive. I mean, 2100 for a lipstick is huge, right? So I did not get my hands on this, but these were for 990. I get 2 minis, which is a great thing, I would say. I can try these for 990. Like this is in the shade Bows. This is Gulabe. This is actually formulated for Indian skin tones. The color and the shade is nice. I wouldn't say these were that great because these were drying on my lips, and these did not stay for a long time on my lips, I would say. So yeah, so there is nothing called enough of nail polishes in this world. I have a lot of nail paints and I still keep buying a lot of nail paints. So I bought these 2 nail paints during Hot Pink sale. I tend to buy a lot of peach colors and light colors for my nails, but I tend to not buy basic colors. I thought I need some basic colors this time. So these look like this. I did not start using them, but I don't have to swatch them. This is just basic red and this is black. So these are nice. Nykaa nail polishes are decent pieces. They are good. They have decent staying power. So yeah. So the next product that I bought from Nykaa during Hot Pink sale is this particular product. This is Micro Essence. I don't know what this is, but people are raving about this. If this works, then I thought I'll buy the full size one. So this costed like around 225. This is originally for 250. I started using this, like I used it for 3 to 4 days. I did not find a lot of change, and I also find this a little sticky. So I would not repurchase this, but I cannot comment a lot because I just used it for very less time. I'll talk to you guys about this product in detail in the coming videos. The next product that I bought is this Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay. I heard really good things about this clay, guys. I heard like amazing things about this product, not from India but from all over the world. I heard like crazy things about this thing. I got this for 1k, I guess. It was around 1500 or something, but during the sale I got it for 1k. And I also got apple cider vinegar free with this, which is great, I guess. So this is a nice deal, and the expiry date is in May 2023. Like it's 2 years, I can use anytime. So the next product that I want to show you guys is this one. This is Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. So I and my brother have a common cleanser, guys. We used Himalaya Neem face wash earlier, but then we switched to this particular one. We bought 125 ml small bottle of this Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and we liked it. It is nice. I wouldn't say I saw drastic changes, but this is nice. This is gentle on skin, and this is a decent product for the price we pay. And Cetaphil is a trusted brand, so why not? So the other products that I bought during Hot Pink sale are these products. Like if you can see, I don't know if you're able to see, I'll put the picture over here. So these are nail polish removing wipes. For the lazy girls like me, I love to put the nail polish, but I'm very lazy to remove that off. You know, I have to invest on so much cotton and so much of nail polish remover to remove these, and I have to put a lot of pressure. This is from the brand called Kara, and this is from the brand called Hip Hop. So these are affordable only. This is for 100 and this is for 110. I did not use this as of now, but I used this Kara one. This is amazing, guys. You just need one wipe to remove all the nail polish from 5 of your nails. So I would definitely recommend this product. This is amazing. So that's all for today, guys. I showed you a lot of products that I bought from Hot Pink sale. There's a lot more to show you guys. This is just one part of this video. I think I'll put a part 2 for this video so that you can check the other products that I bought. So I hope you like this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you with another amazing video. Until then, please take care, keep smiling and be kind. Bye.